Radiant Wanderings. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay a while. And as always, if you find anything in this video helpful or useful, please give a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell because next week we are moving on to Columbia Falls, West Glacier, and Hungry Horse in the moving guide. This is a walking tour of downtown Whitefish. It's part of my Moving to Montana, Flathead County living guide. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below for me. I'm happy to help out, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. Let's get into it. On the left here is Mackenzie River Pizza Company. They have locations in Whitefish and then also North Kalispell and Southern Kalispell. They are one of our favorite go-to restaurants, just good food all around. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. And Casey's Bar on the corner. They were actually featured in one season of The Bachelor, a very old one. And the rooftop bar is really nice, the deck up there, to sit out on a summer day and have a drink. I love the crepe place. The kids always love Imagination Station toys. Gotta stop in there. It's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. If you continue straight ahead, there is a little park for the kids to play at. Of course, there's the bike rental and coffee shop, wild cafe, a yoga studio. Dick Idol Gallery, that was featured in my Whitefish Montana Eat, Stay, Shop play. I'm not a huge gallery girl, but I do love going in this one and taking guests in here. I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So thinking, are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. Montana coffee traders. I love me some good coffee. Doing construction right now, but straight ahead is typically where the farmers market is all summer long on Tuesday evenings, and then Whitefish Train Depot. Now we're going to take a little drive from the high school up to Whitefish Mountain Resort just to give you a little idea of the driving through town. A couple 100 miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive. On the right is the Whitefish Middle School and Performing Arts Center. On the left is Firebrand Hotel, and they have a nice restaurant down there as well. So we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind. This bridge takes you over the train tracks, and then if you go left at the light, that takes you to City Beach, and then straight ahead is onto Big Mountain. So let's swing by City Beach on the way. It's pretty common to see deer roaming around downtown Whitefish. And City Beach, we made it. Okay, this is the lodge at Whitefish Mountain Resort, the base lodge where you get your ski passes. We're just going to drive down from the mountain resort back into the city so you can see what that drive looks like.
Baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
If you turn right here, that takes you right into the Whitefish Mountain Village, so some shops and restaurants and some places to stay right there on the mountain. Elk Highlands neighborhood is here on the right. They have their own personal ski lift into the resort, and also the HGTV Dream Home for 2019, I believe, is in here. We actually got to tour that last fall with the Parade of Homes, so it's pretty cool. Beautiful mountain and lake views all the way down this road. There are various subdivisions and roads off of here and houses along here. When we asked our realtor about living up here, she said sometimes people get tired of driving down into town, but if you don't need to go into town that often, it could be a great option. Of course, all the homes up here are going to be quite pricey.
Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love, yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20.
This road is nicely plowed during the winter, unlike the road to Blacktail Ski Resort. That one is a bit sketchy, but this one stays nicely plowed and so that the snow bus can access it and all of the visitors, which is really nice. And a left turn here takes us back into town.
I used to be a big quitter. I couldn't take a leap even if I knew that I should. It made me lonely and bitter, but that was all before you. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love. Oh, even if we start to fight.
The lodge at Whitefish Lake on the right and left. Absolutely love this hotel and the restaurant here as well.
At the top of my lungs, you make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run, 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 run,
post office there on the right, and then also a nice little parking lot by the river. Great spot to park and put your kayak or paddleboard in and paddle onto the lake.
With you, I'm not afraid. I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out.
The Wave workout facility is on the right here. Really, really nice facility, pool and all that good stuff. On the left, as we turn, there's Safeway, one of the main grocery stores, and then across the street where we will end is Super One. And then we passed Marcus Foods just as we came down the mountain and went over the bridge. And this little plaza is one of the snow bus pickup and drop off spots. Again, you can visit my blog, which I'll have in the description below if you want to see all of those stops or any further information about the area. Alright you guys, that's it for today. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below for me. Be sure to hit that notification bell. I'm actually going to take a break from this moving guide just for a week or two. A video or two. I have 2 videos coming up. One is Kalispell, Montana Eat, Stay, Shop, Play, which is great because if you are looking at Kalispell, this will give you an additional look into the downtown area and where you can eat and stay and shop and play. And then the next week after that is a little bit of a surprise, but you're definitely going to want to see it. And then I will get back into this moving guide. I've already got all the footage. I just need to put it together and I'm super excited to do so. So have an awesome week, you guys, and I'll see you next time.